Good morning, students. Students, we have completed future perfect tense in our previous video. Students, today I am going to start future perfect continuous tense. Students, what is future perfect continuous tense? Future perfect continuous tense express a action which will continue in future and begin in future in certain time. Okay? जो क्या होगा फ्यूचर में कंटिन्यू होगा, फ्यूचर में स्टार्ट होगा, जारी रहेगा फ्यूचर में, और उसमें क्या होगा एक सर्टेन टाइम के साथ होगा, एक सर्टेन टाइम दिया हुआ होगा. ओके, इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस टाइम इज गिवन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, helping verbs, what helping verbs we use with future perfect continuous tense? Students, will have been and shall have been. Students, shall have been is used with first person subject I and we, and will have been is used with second person subject, third person subject, and singular noun and plural noun. Okay, he, she, it, they, you, and singular and plural nouns. Okay, main verb. Students, as a main verb, what we use in future perfect continuous tense? Verbs first form with ing. वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म हम ing के साथ यूज करते हैं एज अ मेन वर्ब इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. वी यूज verbs first form with ing as a main verb. Okay, in future perfect continuous tense. Students, since and for prepositions are used in future perfect continuous tense for denoting time. क्या करने के लिए यूज की जाती है? टाइम को डिनोट करने के लिए. ओके, टाइम को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए सिंस एंड फॉर प्रीपोजिशंस यूज की जाती है इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में. ओके, सिंस एंड फॉर प्रीपोजिशंस आर यूज्ड. ओके, सो where we use since and where we use for. Okay, since is used with point of time. Students, where a certain time is given, means a definite time दिया हुआ होता है ना, such as since morning, since 2 o'clock, since Monday, since 2012, etc. जिसमें एक definite date या time दिया हुआ होता है, उसमें हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Where we use since preposition. Okay, and for preposition, period of time. Students, हम फोर प्रीपोजिशन का क्या यूज करते हैं? पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए, जैसे कि 2 weeks, 3 years, 3 months, एक्सेट्रा, जिसमें कि टाइम क्या होता है? डेफिनेट नहीं होता है. एक डेट वगैरह एक डेफिनेट नहीं होती है, डेट, डेज वगैरह. तो उसमें हम क्या यूज करते हैं? फोर प्रीपोजिशन का यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि क्या होता है? पीरियड ऑफ टाइम होता है. 2 years, 3 months, 3 days, 2 hours. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, now formation of sentences. How we formate sentences, कैसे हम सेंटेंस मेक करते हैं. ओके, so look affirmative sentences. Students, how we make affirmative sentences? Look the pattern, students. First of all, in affirmative sentences we write subject. सबसे पहले हम subject लिखते हैं plus will have been and shall have been helping verb. Okay, will have been and shall have been helping verb plus verbs first form with ing. After that what we use? Helping verb. Helping verb क्या है? verbs first form with ing plus object. After that we use object plus since and for. Since and for are preposition plus time. और जो time इसमें दिया हुआ होता है इसे लास्ट में राइट करते हैं. ओके, at last full stop. Okay students, this is a pattern of affirmative sentences. Okay, subject plus will have been or shall have been helping verb plus verbs first form with ing, main verb plus object plus since or for preposition plus time, last full stop. Okay, look at example. They will have been playing for hours. Look students, they will have been playing for 2 hours. Students, there is a subject. Will have been is a helping verb. Playing is a verb's first form with ing. Okay? And for 2 years. For is a preposition. And sorry, 2 hours. 2 hours. 2 hours is a time. 2 hours is a indefinite time. Because we don't know which 2 hours. कौन से 2 hours है? कौन से time के? तो ये क्या हो गया? Indefinite time हो गया 2 hours. Okay? So we use here for time. Sorry, for preposition. इसलिए हमने यहाँ क्या यूज किया है? For preposition यूज किया है. ओके? क्योंकि 2 hours क्या है? Period of time है. Indefinite time है. Okay? So we use here for preposition. Okay? Students, there is a third person plural subject. So we use here will have been helping verb. Because जो थर्ड पर्सन के सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं उनके साथ क्या यूज करते हैं? will have been helping verb. Okay? Look students. Another example. The boys will have been swimming in the pond since morning. Look students, the boys will have been swimming in the pond since morning. The boys is a subject. Will have been is a helping verb. Swimming is a verb's first form with ing. In the pond is a object. Okay? And since is a preposition. And morning is a definite time. ओके मॉर्निंग मतलब एक निश्चित समय दिया हुआ है. सो इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया है? सो वी यूज हियर सिंस preposition because morning is a definite time. Okay, the boys will have been swimming in the pond since morning. It asks full stop. Students, the boys is a subject, will have been helping verb, swimming is verb's first form with ing. In the pond is a object. Since morning, since is a preposition and morning is a definite time, so we use here since preposition. Okay, look another example. Third example is we shall have been studying in this college for 3 years. Look students, we shall have been studying in this college for 3 years. Be is a subject, shall have been is a helping verb, studying means first form with ing. Okay, in this college is a object, for is a preposition. 3 years is a period of time, so we use here for preposition. Okay, period of time means जो टाइम इंडेफिनिट है. ओके, जो पता नहीं कौन से 3 hours, कौन से 3 years, कोई सन वगैरह या फिर कोई डेफिनेट टाइम नहीं है ना. दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज हियर फॉर प्रीपोजिशन. ओके, we shall have been studying in this college for 3 years. Students, we is a first person subject, so we use here shall have been helping verb. Students, negative sentences. we form negative sentences. Students, look the pattern. Plus not, plus have been, plus verbs first form with ing, since, for, plus time. Last full stop. Students, for negative sentences we follow this pattern. Okay, subject plus will or shall plus not. After will or shall we use not. Okay, and after that we write have been. Okay, will के बाद क्या यूज करते हैं? will और shall के बाद in negative sentences we use not. क्या यूज करते हैं? not. And after that we write have been, have been. Okay, have been. Will or shall, after will or shall we use not, and after it we use have been plus verbs first form with ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Okay, will और shall के बाद not यूज करते हैं, उसके बाद क्या लिखते हैं? have been. Okay, not comes between will or shall and have been. Okay, will और shall और have been के बीच में not लिखी जाती है in negative sentences. Okay, we write not between will or shall and have been in negative sentences. Okay, look example students. She will not have been working hard for 2 years. Look students, she will not have been working hard for 2 years. She is a subject, will, helping verb will or shall plus not. Not comes between will or shall and have been. Will or shall और have been के बीच में क्या लिखते हैं? Not. In negative sentences. Okay, so we write not here. Okay, not plus have been. Working is a verb first form with ing. Okay, work plus ing means working hard for 2 years. For is a preposition. Okay, and 2 years is a period of time, so we use here for preposition. Okay, she will not have been working hard for 2 years. You will not have been suffering from fever since for 2 days. Look students, you will not have been suffering from fever for 2 days. You is a subject, will is a will or shall, helping verb and plus not. After will or shall in negative sentence we write not, and after not we write have been. Okay, like that. Have been. Suffering is a verb first form with ing. Suffer plus ing. Suffering. Okay, from fever for 2 days. For is a preposition. 2 days is a time. 2 days is a indefinite time. So we use here for preposition. Okay. interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Students, look the pattern for interrogative sentences. Will or shall plus subject plus have been plus verb first form with ing plus object plus since for time interrogative sign. Students, in interrogative sentences, interrogative sign is must. Okay, students, when we make interrogative sentences, there are two types of negative interrogative sentences. Two types के interrogative sentences होते हैं. Interrogative sentences which starts from helping verb and interrogative sentences which starts from WH word. Okay, क्योंकि WH word से start होती है, एक होते हैं जो helping verb से start होते हैं. Okay, so this is the pattern of that type interrogative sentences which starts from helping verb. Okay, जो सेंटेंसेस हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट होते हैं इंटरोगेटिव, उसका पैटर्न है ये. ओके, सबसे पहले क्या यूज करते हैं, विल और शैल. ओके, वी राइट विल और शैल प्लस सब्जेक्ट. आफ्टर दैट वी यूज सब्जेक्ट एंड आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट वी राइट हैव बीन. ओके, प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म विथ आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस सिंस और फॉर प्रीपोजिशन प्लस टाइम इट लास्ट इंटरोगेटिव साइन. स्टूडेंट्स, इन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस we write have been after subject. Okay, we write have been after subject. Okay, interrogative sentences में क्या करते हैं, जो have been हम write करते हैं, will have been, shall have been, जो helping verbs हैं उसमें will और shall लिखते हैं आगे, फिर उसके बाद subject यूज करते हैं, and after that subject के बाद क्या यूज करते हैं, have been. Okay, so we write here have been plus verbs first form with ing plus object plus since or for plus time last interrogative sign. Look example students. Shall we have been. Shall we have been waiting for him जी मम्मी नहीं waiting for him since morning. Last interrogative sign. Okay, shall is a helping verb. Okay, helping verb will or shall comes first in interrogative sentences and after that be, and after be means after subject we use have been. Have been, waiting is a verb first form with ing, wait plus ing, waiting. For is a waiting for him is preposition him means object. Okay, him is a object. Since is a preposition which denote the time. Okay, morning is a definite time, so we use here since preposition. Okay, shall we have been waiting for him since morning. At last interrogative sign. Students, in interrogative sentences interrogative sign is must. Okay, shall helping verb, be subject, and after subject we use have been. Waiting is a verb first form with ing. For him is a object, since is a preposition which denote time. Okay, morning is a definite time means एक निश्चित टाइम है, इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या preposition यूज किया है, since. Okay, Students, look another example. Will that lazy boy have been sleeping for have been sleeping for 2 hours. Look students, will that lazy boy have been sleeping for 2 hours? Last interrogative sign. Will itself helping verb plus subject that lazy boy. That lazy boy is a subject. Okay. Have been and after subject we write have been. So have been sleeping. Sleeping is a past first form with ing. For is a preposition. 2 hours is a time. Students, 2 hours is the indefinite time, means period of time. So we use here for preposition. Okay. It last interrogative sign. Third example of interrogative sentences is, why will they have been? Why will they have been wasting their time? Wasting their time since 5 o'clock. Interrogative sign. Students, look. Why will they have been wasting their time since 5 o'clock? Students, 5 is a WH word. When we make WH word type interrogative sentences, we write WH word first. Okay. After that, we write will or shall. So we write here will. There is a subject, and after subject we use have been. Okay. And after have been we use wasting is जो मेन वर्ब है आपके वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म विथ आईएनजी वो राइट करते हो. ओके. Wasting their time is a object. Okay. Since 5 o'clock, since is a point of time, so since is a preposition, 5 o'clock is a time. 5 o'clock is a point of time, so we use here since preposition. Since preposition is used for point of time. Okay. Why will they have been wasting their time since 5 o'clock? It last interrogative sign. Students, these are examples of interrogative sentences. Students, future perfect continuous tense is completed. So today your tenses topic is completed. तो आपका tenses topic है बस complete हो गया है. Okay.